This is DrummerLab, a software designed to help drummers maximize productivity in every practice session. Whether you are an enthusiastic beginner wanting to learn the fundamentals properly, or a seasoned player looking to break down complex ideas into a simplified representation of rhythm, DrummerLab has all the tools you need to clearly visualize the patterns you want to master. Our grid system is perfectly compatible with traditional music notation, so if you don't feel very confident reading music, this method will help you understand it better. This user-friendly digital whiteboard allows you to quickly edit your drum kit. Choose the number of measures you need for your phrase, set the time signature, tempo, and subdivide each beat into 1/8, 1/12, 1/16, or 1/24 notes. Sticking is a very important aspect of drumming, which is why it is very helpful to see it clearly. Click on the empty spaces to bring your ideas to life. Click once to add a right-hand stroke, click again to turn it into a left-hand stroke, or click once more if you want to keep the space empty. You can also right-click existing notes to turn them into specific strokes, such as accents and ghost notes, with flams and drags coming soon. The kick is represented with the letter K and the hi-hat pedal with X. Now you can play along and practice for many hours until you've completely mastered your pattern. The stopwatch is a great tool to help you keep track of your dedication. Save your favorite beats and come back later and keep making improvements. DrummerLab also offers access to a well-organized library of courses for all levels. Navigate through the building blocks of rudimental drumming. Combine the blocks into more elaborate patterns to expand your vocabulary in a way you never thought possible. Don't be afraid to always go the extra mile and reorchestrate every pattern in every possible way you can imagine. Go as deep as you can and proudly accumulate many hours of practice. I assure you, regardless of your age or level of expertise, this formula will help you develop an effortless flow and synchronicity between your thoughts and your actions. Master every beat and complete our challenges.